Did you ever wonder how a keyboard works? How about a mouse? This first project shows how to use a button to print letters into a text editor such as brackets. We will also take a look at how to type letters into a serial monitor to control our mouse. We will start by reviewing the code required to make Leo act as a keyboard and mouse. This program is available in the Arduino IDE. We'll go to File, Examples, USB, Keyboard and Mouse Control. Let's maximize our window. Before we review the code, let's make sure the right board is selected. Tools, Board. And you can see I already have mine selected to the Arduino Leonardo. This is also a good time to check your COM port. It looks like my COM port is set up correctly. It's important to note that your COM port might be a different number than mine. Mine just happens to be COM7. Yours might be COM1 or COM2. Okay, let's take a tour of the code. At the top is the comment. We'll scroll down to line 24, where we set the pin numbers for the 5 buttons. We're going to use a button for up, down, left, right, and mouse. And we're assigning them the digital input values 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the setup function, we're using the pin mode command to set that button as input. We are also initializing our serial monitor with a 9600 baud rate. Next, on line 40, we have mouse.begin, and on line 41, keyboard.begin. Let's scroll a little further down and take a look at our loop. The loop starts on line 46. It checks to see if the serial monitor is available. If it is, it reads whatever characters we type. It allows us to type U, D, L, R, and M. When we type those letters, the mouse will move accordingly. Okay, now for the keyboard. As we stated earlier, the keyboard will use push buttons. These buttons will be on our prototype board, and they'll control the keyboard. If we push the up button, which is represented by the button connected to digital pin 2, it'll print U. If we push the down button, it'll print D, left will be L, R will be right, and M will be mouse. Okay, that's the code for the keyboard and mouse control. Now that we've walked through the code, let's go ahead and get our prototype set up.